Soundbites, how you doing tonight? You having a good time on a gorgeous, gorgeous Saturday evening in Sedona, Arizona? Well, I'm already going to be that guy. That sounded terrible. That sounded like we're still locked up during the pandemic. How you guys doing tonight? You guys having a good time? Come on, everybody. We're so happy to be here. This is night 2 of a 2-night run. My name is Matthew Szlachetka, and I brought my good buddy Pete Mroz with me. I'm going to start the night off with a song off my new record called Lifeboat. I miss the sound of waking up to the mariachi. I miss the song of the ice cream man up on the hill. I miss the herds of cats running around my doorstep, but never drinking out of my bowl of milk. I guess I finally have to let go of this lifeboat, 'cause there's another ship waiting to set sail. I know I miss the beaches and the soul of the dirty concrete, but I'm leaving California all by myself. I came from the country, tried to make it work, gave it all I had, dug my hands into the dirt. I walked down the pier and into the empty ocean, taste the smell of the smog going round on the carousel. I guess I finally had to let go of this lifeboat, but I'm leaving California all by myself. I'm going to the country, I'm gonna try to make it work, give it all I have, dig my hands into the dirt. I miss the sound of you saying my name in that empty apartment, your arm reaching out for tequila on the shelf. I miss the way that you held me in that lifeboat, but I'm leaving California all by myself. I had to leave California all by myself. Thank you so much,
Matt Szlachetka. So I said this last night, and I just have to put this disclaimer out there so it doesn't look weird to all you fine folks as you're eating your salmon and, you know, looking up and saying, what's he going to say? How's that martini?
You had the salmon last night, right, Pete?
I had the salmon
It was
last night. It's pretty good. At any time, if you see me get up and leave, it's not that I don't love you. I got nothing but love for every person here. But my wife is about ready to have a baby on Tuesday down in Phoenix, and if she calls me and this little watch vibrates, I'm out. Love you.
It gives
Peace
a whole
out,
new
folks.
meaning.
Like, this isn't for the voice. This is like I'm out.
It gives a whole new meaning to an oh shit moment. It's like,
Yes, it does.
I will see you guys later.
I hope you understand. And if you don't, well, hey, right on. So this song is dedicated to my wife. This song is called Crazy Maze. Turn, you walk away. You hate those rainy days, my love. Oh, my crazy maze. I try to speak to you. Am I getting through, my love? My crazy maze. And oh, how the road it winds. And I'm knocking on a door one more time. Another day. I'm just a simple man trying to understand, my love. My crazy maze. She's my love. My crazy maze. My love, my crazy maze. Thank you.